Guys, can you see the dinosaur? It's a moving dinosaur over there. And we are here on the Mount Shan Library. Just, you can see in outside the library. Look, the dinosaur. So, let's see over there. Let's see over there. Yeah, puntahan natin siyang malapitan para makita natin yung mga alaga ko nandoon. Look, nandoon sila. Masyadong maaraw.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think I'll have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah. Boy, the one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. Oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me a friend.
The dinosaur. Look at the dinosaur. Yeah, it's a moving dinosaur. Over there. Over there. How
me for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting a chance.
a dinosaur. It's a moving dinosaur. Yes. Look. Ano lang siya, Mount Shan Library, outside Mount Shan Library. If you want to visit here, so you can see outside, just outside. Yeah, that's the name. Mount Shan Sports Center. And then, you can see this view. And then yung sa baba niyan guys, it's so big. Yeah! Ooh! And then also, ang laki niya, grabe. Grabe. Parang totoo siya. See? It's moving over there. And then, makikita niyo po dito. And siya, real flower po yan. And everything is a real flower around the dinosaur. Ang ganda ng flower. It's so pretty. I like this flower. Especially this one. Ang ganda niya. All is fresh. Fresh flower. And then, ito po yung yan yung name ng dinosaur. Dinosaurus Rex. Yan po yung name ng dinosaur. And then, you can read this about the dinosaur here. You can read it down. Wow! It's 68 to 66 million years ago. Yung dinosaur na yan. See? You can imagine. There you can see fresh flower. Ang ganda! Super! Ganda niya! Pretty flowers, right? Bibi? Yeah, ang ganda niya guys. Ganda ng mga flowers. So here. And then we can walk around. Wow, so pretty! Ang ganda! Di ba mo so maganda? Yeah. There's the cartons. Ooh, it's like a monster. And then the dinosaurs is over there. And then the buildings, high buildings. Ooh. Look this flower. Ang gaganda niya. The dolphin? You want to go there? Oh, ang ganda niya guys. Pretty flowers. Parang gusto ko siyang iuwi. Ang ganda niya, yeah. And then, what is this? Kay saan ka? It's like a cotton? Is it? Look. I can see well. Yeah. What do you call that in English? Grabe, ang ganda ng mga flowers. I love it. I love those colors. Yeah. So, ang laki ng paa niya, guys. Ayun yung paa niya. Ang laki, di ba? Tapos yung buntot niya. Yan. It's over there. Pero yung flowers talaga, na-amiss ako sa mga flowers. I like flowers and plants. Ang ganda niya. So pretty for this. Look at this. Look. Ang laki niya at ang ganda. Hindi po yan fake flower. Totoo po yan. Yeah. It's real flower po. Look, this a little flower. Ang ganda niya guys. As in. Guys, totoo yan. Hindi po sila mga fake flower. As in, totoo po yan. Yan. Ang ganda lang. As in, naamis ako sa flower. And then, I don't know what is this for English. Parang siyang cotton. Look like cotton. Ayan, lumalabas siyang ganun. Ayan. Ayan siya, but really don't know what's that. Ooh, it's moving dinosaur. Grabe, ang ganda talaga. Look. Look, the tail. The tail. The tail is moving. Look. Is it the tail's going down? Look over there. Hey, Motim. Gigi mo dyan yan. The guard. Look at you. So, yan yung ganda. Ang laki niya. Look at this. It's like, yeah, it's so pretty. And then it's like my hand. Like this. Ang ganda niya. So, tinawag niya ako guys. Sabi niya sa akin, tingnan ko daw. So pretty flowers. I love it. O, tinawag niya naman niya ako. Punta daw ako doon. Ayan, ang ganda niya talaga. Where? Oh, this is the wildflower. You can see everywhere. Even on the mountain. Yeah. So here. Pero ang ganda niya as in. Pero I love this flower talaga. Ayan this. And then the purple one. Ayan nyo guys, sa tuwing makakita ako ng ganitong flower, ito siya. Naaalala ko yung father ko kasi marami kami niyan sa bahay namin. At saka yung ganito. Yan. Yung father ko kasi mahilig siya sa plants. Yan. So pretty plants. Ayan siya, ang ganda niya. O, diba? Yan. So, ang ganda ng flowers over there. So, dito kami sa Mount Shan Library. That's the library. And then you can borrow the books for the kids or adults. So you can borrow if you have your own cards, of course. Yan. So, before kami pumunta doon, ayan. So, napasabit kami dito kasi yan talaga ang pinunta ng mga bata dito. It's moving again. Look at the kids. Yan. Yung mga bata. O, diba? Ang cute nila. See? Ooh. airplane. Where's the airplane? I want to come at night. It's a rabbit. Yeah. Yeah, it's a big rabbit. In here. Into there.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.